This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming essentials. Check that your carrier and plan support Wi-Fi calling and that your Android is up to date. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and note its signal strength. Now open Settings and search for Wi-Fi calling or navigate to Connections and Mobile Network Settings. This moves you to the first actionable step. Make sure airplane mode is off so the phone can register with your carrier while using Wi-Fi calling. Next, enable Wi-Fi calling by flipping the toggle in your network or phone settings. This tells your phone to use Wi-Fi for voice when appropriate. Once enabled, choose your preference. Wi-Fi preferred forces Wi-Fi when available. Cellular preferred falls back to mobile service. Pick what fits your coverage. Also enter or verify your emergency address. Carriers require a location for 911 dispatch. Save changes and wait briefly while your carrier registers the device on Wi-Fi calling. To finish, place a test call to confirm connection, listen for clarity, and verify your number shows correctly. If the call won't connect, restart your phone and power cycle the router, then try again. This fixes most registration or network issues. Make sure Wi-Fi signal is strong and that mobile data isn't blocking calls. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm account provisioning and compatibility. They can push registration updates or diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.